All right, what's going on, friends? The company, I think you pronounce it Bosslla, Bosslla, sent me a set of LED headlight bulbs for my Toyota Tundra to try out. So I'm going to install these and show you what these look like. It definitely comes in a nice little fancy box. Comes with a nice little manual. Some fancy little stickers I don't think I'm going to use, but and then it comes in this nice padded box. I already installed one just so I made sure they work fine, and I'm going to show you how to install the other one just in case you have a Toyota Tundra. And mine is a 2007, so a lot of the newer models probably already have LEDs in them. Unless their LED blew out, you could still buy some of these. Now these ones only have one color light. The color temperature, the ones they sent me are the B1. They're a 6500K color temperature. I just have the normal plain white and I'm okay with that. I don't need all these fancy colors. So let me install this and I'll turn the sun off outside and I will show you what this looks like from my normal incandescent bulbs to the LED bulbs. Oh, and I did wear my fancy little shirt that my boys made for me for Christmas. It says DIY Gym, and I have these really fancy shorts on. This is definitely what you want to wear when you're working on your truck. I'm gonna put my nice black gloves on my wife got me that so I don't get all dirty. The bulbs I ordered are for my high beams. So the ones I'm going to put down in the description are for my high beams. And if you turn your car on and you decide to buy these bulbs and you don't know which ones are your high beams or your low beams, just turn your lights on, put your low beams on, and then turn your high beams on and you'll be able to see which one is which. So first I got to move my battery because it's a little bit in my way. Alright, at least in my Toyota Tundra there's a right down in here, there's a headlight. That is my low beam. I don't want to remove that. I want to remove this one here. It looks a little smaller up front. This is the one I'm going to remove. This one I'm leaving in. See, I already have that one installed. So you just turn it counterclockwise a little bit and it should pop out. Just like that. See, there's 3 little tabs on there. And you got to push this button in on the back of this, push this little clip in here, and that should pop out. Now, one thing I want to show you, when I first put these on your plug that comes out of at least your Tundra here, right here on the end it says negative and positive. And on this plug, it says negative and positive right there. Now, and it says right here on this little tag, flip the plug if not working. Because I actually put this on and I put the positive to positive, the negative to negative, and it did not work. But when I flipped it, it worked. And my only guess for that is that some of these trucks or some of these cars are wired up different. So in this Tundra, I have to do it backwards and put the positive to negative and the negative to positive. Unless this side is different than the other side, but we're going to find out. So, and look, there's a little clip on this side and a little clip on that side, so they must know that. Plug it in. Before I stick it in there, I am going to turn my lights on and make sure that's working. Ooh, it's working. Here we go. Got it. All right, let me tighten my battery down and I will be finished. All right, let me back this out of the garage. I'll turn the sun out. We'll see what the difference is between my old ones to the new LEDs. All right, let's turn the sun out. All right, that's about it. If you like these headlights, like I said, I'll have a link to them down in the description. Give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.